Good morning. We just had a snowstorm last night. It's about 7:45 in the morning, if that means anything. It's freaking cold out. So anyways, I thought I'd take advantage of this nice virgin pond and just hop in for a moment with you before I head off to the gym to go lift some weights and post some pictures from that as well. So here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. And to all the martyrs of this world, and to all the people that died in pain and suffering and torture, this is for you, every single one of you, regardless of race, religion, creed, color, whatever. This is for you. I dedicate this all to you. And peace be with you, and have a great morning, and always have a good crack. Enjoy your life. Live your life to the fullest.